Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is SQ of assignment and lecture number 55. You see, you know, in your assignment there are 10 short questions, you know it, okay. Among the 10 questions, some questions are so much confusing, so I will solve that question and another question I will discuss with you, okay. Let's start. Look, one number question, you see, what would be the digit, you see the question, what would be the digit, the unit place of the number so that the number will not be a perfect square number, okay. What would be the digit in unit place of the number so that the number will not be a perfect square, okay. Dear student, in this case there are two conditions. You see, one condition, the number consisting of digit 2 or 3 or 7 or 8 in the extreme right, that is in unit place, can never be a perfect square, okay. Another condition, if odd number of zeros are in the right of a number, it will not be a perfect square, okay. You see the condition, if odd number of zeros are in the right of a number, it will not be a perfect square, okay. Now question number 2, you see, if the digit in unit place of a square number x is 6, what will be in the unit place of the square number x, okay. Look, the answer, if the digits in unit place is either 4 or 6, the digit in units place of the square number will be 6. What I told? If the digits in unit place is either 4 or 6, the digit in unit place of the square number will be 6, okay. Now I will discuss question number 3. How many digits are there in the square root of this? Dear student, you have to write only the answer. How many digits are there in the square root of 24,336? You see, how many digits here? And you have to take pair. Look, how many? One pair, two pair and another one pair. That means 3 pair. So, how many digits are there in the square root of 24,336? You write, there are 3 digits in the square root of 24,336. Okay, finish. Now, question number 4. You see, question number 4. What is the least number which is to be multiplied with 245 so that the product of the multiplication is a perfect square, okay. How can? At first you have to break like this way, 5, you see, then 7, 7, okay. You see, 7 and 7 are pair, okay. 7 and 7 are pair, but 5 is without pair. You see, 5 is without pair. So, which one? So, 5 is the at least number, okay, which is to be multiplied with 245. What I told? That means you see, 7, 7, that means this is one pair, but 5 is only no pair, there is no pair, okay. So, we have to multiply 245 with 5 so that the product of the multiplication is a perfect square number. That means your answer will be, the least number will be 5, okay. Now, question number 5, you see, if the number of rows and the number of soldiers in a row are kept equal, then how many people should be removed from 1800 soldiers? This is also so much easier. You have to take in the square root, then you think this will not be a perfect square. Okay, there is some number will be remain, and this will the answer. Now question number 6. Please listen and see the question number 6. Okay, dear student, what is the difference of minus 2x minus 3y from 3x minus 2y? Okay, look, minus 2x minus 3y from 3x minus 2y when x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Remember, look, when x equal to 2, okay, this is unfortunately mistake in your, which is provided in assignment in 3rd week. You see, there will be when x equal to minus 2, this will be minus 2. Mind it, what I told you, you have to write when x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, mind it. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. Only you put x equal to minus 2. Okay. Now I will solve this. Look, how can you solve? Look, right. The difference of minus 2x minus 3y from 3x minus 2. Okay, the difference of minus 2x minus 3y from 3x minus 2y. Okay, right now 3x minus 2y, you put minus sign, minus 2x minus 3y. Okay, look now, 3x minus 2y, minus, this is the plus, then 2x, minus, this is the plus 3y. This equal to what? You see, 3x plus 2x equal to 5x. 3y minus 2y equal to plus y. Okay? That means we have got 5x plus y. Now you have to determine when x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, right? X equal to what? Minus 2. Put here minus 2 plus this plus y equal to what? 3. Give here clue as x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. Okay? X equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. Now 5 2s are 10, plus minus minus plus 3 3. Okay, now calculate, then we get 7. Okay, so minus 7 is the required answer. Okay, I hope you understood question number 6, and you have to solve like this way. But remember x equal to minus 2, this will be minus 2. Okay, now question number 7. You see question number 7, you see, this is the question number 7. What is the product of 7x minus 3 and 7x plus 5? You have to product this, you know, this is easy for you. Now question number 8. 8 is also easy. You have to divide 2a square minus 7ab plus 6b square by what? By 2a minus 3b. By 2a minus 3b. Okay? Now question number 9. What is the simplified value of 2? This is called third bracket, 6 minus 3 minus 2, first bracket, 4 minus 3, first bracket, second bracket, then third bracket. Okay, you have to simplify this. Okay, then question number 10. You see question number 10. What is the value of the subtraction of the constant term from the coefficient of x cube of x power 4 minus 7x cube plus 2x minus 11? Okay, right. Solution. Okay, 10 number question solution given. X power 4 minus 7x cube plus 2x minus 11. Okay, x power 4 minus 7x cube plus 2x minus 11. Okay, now write coefficient of x cube, right? Here coefficient of x cube is what? Coefficient of x cube, you see here minus 7, because minus 7 is attached with x cube and x is the variable, so minus 7 is the coefficient of x cube. Here the coefficient of x cube is minus 7. Okay, and the constant term you see constant term is what? Only minus 11, right? Minus 11 is the constant term. Okay, now again look at the questions. Now, what is the value of the subtraction of the constant term from the coefficient of? That means what? Right, as per condition from the coefficient of x cube equal to what? Minus 7. Okay, minus 7, then minus what? Constant term is minus 11. Look, minus 7, minus plus, then 11 minus 7. This is equal to what? This is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 is our required solution. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's discussion, but remember, you have to keep practicing at home. Okay, you stay safe, stay well, see you again.